Assalamu alaikum one class. How are you? I hope you are fine. One class, it's your English lesson. Today we are doing a topic from Oxford Progressive English book, page number 12, unit number 2, lesson 4, sentences. We are going to write sentences about the picture that we can see on this one page. Monster is there. They are saying, look at the picture, answer the questions using the words in the box. In the one class, if we see in the box, they have given counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 spelling they have given. They are saying use these words that are in this box and write sentences about this monster. Example they have given for us, how many wings does it have? If we see this one monster, how many wings does it have? Count 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many wings it has? It has 4 wings. They have right here in sentence, not in words. One class I told you about sentence. जब sentence हम write करते हैं, sentence ऐसा होता है कुछ words से मिलके बनता है and when we read that one हमें हर sense clear हो जाती है, उस जिसको पढ़ के हमें सब कुछ समझ आ जाए, that is a sentence. First one, how many legs does it have? See how many legs it have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. What will we write here? It has 8 legs. How many legs it has? It has 8 legs. Question number 2, how many tails does it have? Yes, how many tails? Just one. So we will write here it has 1 tail. After writing this sentence, you will draw full stop. Third one, how many eyes does it have? Count how many eyes. We have 2 eyes now, but we will see monster picture. How many eyes does it have? 1, 2 and one is on the forehead. 3 eyes. It has 3 eyes. Okay, one class. This part we will do this part from on this one page number 12. Okay. Now one class, we are on page number 13. Okay, again we are going to solve this one page with the help of pictures of monster. If we see part A, what they are saying, circle the correct words to complete the sentences. One class, we will circle the correct word. They have given us 2 words. We will circle the correct word with the help of pictures that they have drawn there. First one, example, this monster has big small wings. If we see first one example, there is a monster. There they have written this sentence. They are saying this monster has big small wings. अब हमने इसके wings देखने हैं. One class, what type of wings this monster has? Small wings. So we will circle small. First one, see this one monster is very big. Okay, first one, this monster has a short long tail. अब इसकी tail देखें कैसे की है, it's long, so we will circle long. Second one, this monster has a short long tail. अब हम इस monster को देखें तो इसकी tail कैसी है, short, so we will circle short. Third one, this monster has big small horns. ये जो सींग है इसके ऊपर बने हुए हैं ना, छोटे छोटे या बड़े बड़े, it's small, so we will circle small. Common B part, draw a line from the words to the pictures to show what each monster is doing. One class, अब हमने क्या करना है, we will draw a line from the words to the picture. Words को हमने pictures के साथ with the help of line we will match. If we see first one monster, it is sleeping, so we will match this monster with word sleeping. Next one they have done for us, sitting. This monster is sitting. Third one that has very uh, long wings, it is flying, so we will match with this with flying. And last one is with running. Okay, one class, it's all work that we have done. Now one class, I have prepared a assignment for you. What you will do there, you will draw a picture of a monster. आपने picture draw करनी है monster की. Then you will color that one picture. Okay, after that you will color that one picture. When you will draw and color, then you will complete the sentences about your monster. जिस तरह का आपने monster draw किया होगा ना when class, उससे related आपने ये sentences complete करने हैं. That is under that one. First one, my monster is हैप्पी, सैड, गुड, बैड, एंग्री, स्लिपी. आपने अपना जो मॉन्स्टर बनाया होगा, अगर उसका हैप्पी फेस होगा तो यू विल फिल दिस ब्लैंक विद हैप्पी. अगर आपने उसका सैड फेस बनाया, यू विल फिल दिस ब्लैंक विद सैड. ओके, अगर आपने अपना मॉन्स्टर गुड बनाया, यू विल फिल दिस विद गुड. बैड, एंग्री, अगर गुस्से वाला है मॉन्स्टर बना हुआ है तो आपने एंग्री यू विल राइट देयर. एंड इफ़ इट इज़ इन स्लिपी कंडीशन, आइज़ उसकी बंद बनाई हुई आपने, तो यू विल राइट स्लिपी. सेकेंड वन, इट हैज़ डैश ईयर्स. अब आपने उसके ईयर्स में जो भी कलर किया होगा, अगर आपके मॉन्स्टर का रेड ईयर्स हैं, यू विल फिल दिस ब्लैंक विद रेड, ग्रीन, येलो, ब्लू, ऑरेंज. वट एवर यू हैव डन देयर, यू विल फिल दिस ब्लैंक्स विद दैट वन. थर्ड वन, इट हैज़ डैश लेग्स. अब आपने काउंट करनी है कि आपने अपने मॉन्स्टर की कितनी लेग्स बनाई हुई हैं. हमने ऑप्शन दी हुई है 2, 6, 8, 4 और 10. आपने जितनी भी लेग्स बनाई होंगी, यू विल फिल दिस ब्लैंक विद दैट वन. फोर्थ वन, इट हैज़ डैश टेल, लॉन्ग, शॉर्ट. अगर आपने उसकी लॉन्ग टेल ड्रा किया, यू विल फिल दिस ब्लैंक विद लॉन्ग. अगर आपने उसकी शॉर्ट ड्रा किया, तो यू विल फिल दिस ब्लैंक विद शॉर्ट. इट हैज़ डैश विंग्स, green or red. You will fill, if your monster wings green, you will fill this blank with green. If these are red, you will fill this blank with red. One class, it's your assignment. You will complete this assignment. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day, take care of yourself. Thank you.